Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about whether Vanguard Plus, specifically the Vanguard Cash Plus account and its broader ecosystem, is suitable for beginner investors. When you are starting your investment journey, keeping things simple, low cost, and organized is essential. The Vanguard Cash Plus account is designed primarily as a cash management and high-yield savings alternative rather than a direct trading platform. For a beginner, this means it acts as a secure place to park your emergency fund or idle cash while earning a competitive annual percentage yield, completely free of monthly maintenance fees when you opt for electronic statements. However, cash management is only part of the puzzle. If your goal as a beginner is to start building long-term wealth through the stock market, you need to look at how this connects to Vanguard's core brokerage services. Vanguard is globally renowned for its low-cost index funds, exchange-traded funds, and ready-made diversified portfolios like target date funds. These tools are practically tailor-made for beginners because they eliminate the need to pick individual stocks, lowering your overall risk through instant diversification. The Cash Plus account allows you to hold your cash and effortlessly transfer it into Vanguard investment products once you are ready to buy. That integration is a massive plus for beginners who want to keep their short-term savings and long-term investments under one roof, without juggling multiple financial institutions. On the downside, there are a few limitations to keep in mind. Vanguard's platforms and interfaces are functional rather than flashy. They do not always offer the most intuitive handholding or advanced educational trading simulators that some newer, tech-forward brokerages provide. Furthermore, the Cash Plus account itself does not include traditional perks like a debit card or check writing access, meaning it functions purely as an online hub for holding, transferring, and sweeping cash. Ultimately, if you are a beginner looking for a reliable, low-cost ecosystem to stash your savings safely and buy low-cost index funds without getting overwhelmed by day trading gimmicks, Vanguard provides one of the most solid foundations in the entire financial industry. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.